Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to place the legend outside the plot in Matplotlib. So let's get started. So I've created a sample code using the Matplotlib library. So let's see what it is. First thing, I have imported NumPy for my number calculations and array manipulation. Then next, I'm using the Matplotlib library and importing it as a plot. Then I'm creating an a range or a NumPy range from a given set of numbers, that is 0 to 10, and then I'm saving it in the variable time. Then the amplitude, that is the wave. So here I am making a sine wave graph. So basically I'm using the amplitude of the sine wave and getting that value from the np, that is numpy dot sine function, and within that the given range will be from the time that I've calculated in the previous line of code. And then I'm simply using the plot function to plot time and amplitude on their given axis, that is x and y, and then I'm giving a label for x saying that time and a y label for the graph saying that it's amplitude. And also I am simply placing a legend and I'm naming it as a sine wave, and finally I'm showing the plot. So let me run the code. So as you can see, it's really simple, nothing complicated. All I have is an amplitude versus time graph for the sine wave, and as you can see here, the legend clearly describes that this is a sine wave. But now I want to place this legend outside the plot. Well, let's see how to perform that. So the legend has another keyword inside the function, that is lock, something called as relative location, and within this we need to specify two numbers inside a tuple. So these numbers are like coordinates. So let's understand how these coordinates work. So if I type 1, 1 inside the lock keyword, and if I run this, and let me just full screen this, and as you can see, now the sine wave, the legend is coming towards the top right corner. Likewise, if I change this value from 1, 0, 1 to 0, 1 and run this, as you can see, now the sine wave is on the top right. Hence, which means the 1, 1 value comes towards the top right, and the 0, 1 comes to the top left, and so forth. So basically we understand using the lock, that is a relative location, we specify the coordinates in terms of unit terms, that is 0, 1, any range between that, and then the legend moves away from the plot and we get our desired output. So that's it from this really quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.